Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have a fresh trade-in. Start the new year off right. This is a used 2017 Scout 255 Dorado. Excellent boat and layout for family, friends, for entertaining, fishing, water sports, and your favorite sandbars to go to. This boat will do it all. We have on the back of the transom the upgraded Yamaha 200s. These are painted in the custom white, and it looks really sharp with the shark gray hull throughout. Synthetic teak on the back swim platforms, very easy on and off with your swim ladder to go through the transom door. 4 rod holders along the back, live well, freshwater and raw water washdowns with quick disconnects on the back of the transom. This boat's in excellent shape. It was custom ordered by the client without a hard top, which you'll see as we go through the boat, which gives it a really clean, sharp profile look. Great for getting in between the bridges, for your height restrictions on dry slip storage, and just a fantastic looking boat. Very low hours on these engines, less than 207 hours on the engines. So this boat's been very well maintained, taken care of, and it shows what you'll see throughout the video. As you come through the aft transom door, bolster cushions throughout, coming bolster cushions, so great for fishing, leaning up against. Aft bench seat folds out, gives you nice deep seating. The customer had all the seating reupholstered in the last couple years, so it looks really sharp and shows really well. This has the upgraded port side lounge seat, and then has an electric seat on the aft here that will come all the way out and then give you a really lounge backrest area. So a really nice feature of the 255 Dorado. Wanted to point out 8'11" beam, so tons of room on this boat for fishing, for loading up all your beach chairs. Gives everybody a lot of space back in this area. Summer kitchen on your starboard side, Kenyan electric grill. You have washdown and then tackle storage and a slide out cooler. So really easy access, gives everything contained, and makes a great summer kitchen for everybody. Trash can right here underneath the helm seat. 2 huge deluxe helm seats. I wanted to point out armrests, very, very comfortable for the captain, as well as 2 people could actually sit here in the co-pilot seat on the port side, and then bolsters that fold down to give you really nice angle from sitting down. Wanted to point out the very high windshield on the 255 Dorado. Beautiful with the stainless steel cap on top, but sitting down in these seats gets you out of the wind and the elements really nicely, but then sitting up on the bolster will give you great visibility and won't have any obstruction with this in the line of sight. We added a brand new Garmin GPS chart plotter. This is a 12-inch on to the boat. Very, very sharp storage, waterproof storage, with your phone chargers and a 12-volt outlet, and then digital start stop with the Yamaha engines, throttle and shift, digital throttle and shift, great angle with that, with standing up or sitting down with driving. And then we have the upgraded Fusion Apollo system with the upgraded speakers and subwoofer and amp. So great entertaining space on this boat. As we come up to the bow, you have nice storage on your port side with a sink and the teak flooring down in there, so it makes great storage. And then easy access on your port side with some more storage, and then to all your digital battery switches on board. One little step up, windscreen's going to shut you off as well as the door to give you great protection with everybody behind the windshield. That's what everybody loves about dual consoles. You can have everybody in one area and protected. But then when you want the breeze and sunshine, you can come up to the bow, very deep bow seating, armrests throughout, grab handles, cup holders, and then a filler cushion will go in here to create a really nice sun pad for all your guests. And then as you come up to the bow, very nice platform area up on top, so easy to step on and off the boat. And then a beautiful beach boarding ladder, windlass anchor system, so you can nudge up onto your favorite sandbar and have everybody come off in the wintertime without having to get wet. And then you have your paddle shifters for the windlass anchor here. Very versatile boat, 130-gallon fuel capacity, can get you out offshore fishing, get you in your long-range cruises, but then just a great boat to hang out at the sandbars and do some dock and dining around the beach. So again, this is our 2017 Scout 255 Dorado, just came in on trade, really sharp, ready to go for the family for spring. So if you'd like to see this boat and get out on the water with me, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and hope you all have a great day.